Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, first things first, I'm gonna let you know I got that on the music channel. The only reason I have it on the music channel, I have some neighbors that's upstairs. They kind of loud, so I'd rather for you guys to be listening to this than listening to them, because they be doing a little cussing and whatever else. Anyway, I don't own the copyrights to none of this music. This is the music channel, Xfinity. That's what I'm watching, and we're gonna jump right into this today. Today I'm gonna be making you guys my delicious, fresh cherry lemon lime lemonade. Anyway. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need a squeezer, or you can get one of the other ones, old squeezer or something like that. But I'm going to be using this one. Need a spoon. I need a knife I don't have right now. You're going to need some water right here. You're going to need a pitcher, followed by a bag of ice. Okay? You're going to fill this all the way up. You're going to need a cup of sugar. You're going to need a lime. 4 lemons. These are large lemons. It's not medium. I might use only 3 of them. And I got some cherries right here. Alright, we're just going to pour a little of this in there and throw some cherries in there. Okay? First thing we're going to do is going to make a simple syrup. Alright? We're going to do a cup of sugar and a cup of water to get our sugar going. So we're going to be pouring a whole bunch of stuff in there at once. We have it already melted down. Okay? So I'm going to take you guys over there, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Getting this dough warmed up. We're going to take our cup of sugar. We may need some more, so I'm just going to start out with a cup of water. Take your whisk. Sorry about the smoke, I must have spilled some on it. Just stir that up to dissolve. Okay, now with this, I'll probably show you next time, but if you want to, you can also use like a cinnamon stick you can put in here while it's doing this, while you stirring it up and stuff, and letting it marinate in there. And then take your stick out and pour it in there with your lemon and your lime and all that good stuff. Throw you a piece of mint leaf in there, and boy, I'm gonna make that one day for you guys. But saying that to say this, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys back over here if I can show you how to squeeze this lemon into this stuff. Okay, we're gonna get our ice too in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I sliced up a couple of these lemons, and I cut these 2 in half. These gonna go in there with the ice and stuff. So I can get this ice open. I'm gonna put a little bit in there, like so. Take us about 2 or 3 of these, like that. 2 limes. Get us some cherries. About that many on. I think it's about 6 or 7 of those in there. Alright. Then we're going to just squeeze us some lemon. Don't talk about me, I know I'm squeezing it the wrong way, but these are big lemons. Squeeze as much as you can in there. Alright, that's that. So I can probably get some more in here. Another thing you can do is use the microwave. Microwave is going to make these nuts really juicy. Y'all catching them seeds? Alright. Alright, let me get this more ice. You know, a simple syrup. Now, that I concentrated mine with the lemon. Okay? So I can have more of a bite to it. Let me just pour that in there. Some water. I just want to stir that first. So taste that. Woo, Jesus. Woo. That's perfect by itself. But I gotta finish the product. I want to throw some more these in there. Told you I ain't have to squeeze all this. You ain't have to squeeze all that. That is delicious, guys. Must try that. Must try. Get this see. Oh my goodness. It is too good. Some more of these cherries. Put your little juice in there. Just like so. See that, guys? Hope it looks good. Get some more ice. Because when the ice melts down, it's going to be perfect. Perfect, perfect. So I can get it out of there. Ooh, that is delicious, guys. OMG. Let me taste that again. Let you guys get a taste of this. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, you go ahead and taste that. Woo! Let me taste that. Oh my goodness. Ain't nobody mess with this. No, nobody mess with it. There you go, guys. Delicious, fresh, cherry lime lemonade. From Dogg's Kitchen. For this size, I think this is like a half a gallon. So you only need, for a whole gallon, you probably need 2 of these medium or large lemons. Okay? So guys, you definitely need to try this. Off the chain. Right there for you. Get you a fresh mint leaf and you're a winner. See you guys next time. Dogg's Kitchen, where I'll be making restaurant quality foods, or better. Or should I say affordable restaurant quality foods, or better. From my home to yours. Guys, see you next time. Dogg signing out. Let's get cooking.